Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Netflix password. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your Netflix app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on My Netflix at the bottom right of your screen and you will be sent to this page. Over here, tap on these three lines at the top left corner, and on the slide menu, tap on Account. You'll be taken to your account page. Scroll down until you find the Change Password option. Click on it. You'll be prompted to first enter your current password. Now enter your new password twice. Make sure your new password is strong and easy for you to remember. There's an optional checkbox that says Sign out of all devices. If you want to require all devices to sign in again with the new password, check this box. Once you've entered your new password and made your choice about signing out of devices, click Save, and that's it. Your Netflix password has been successfully changed. So that's basically how you can change your Netflix password. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.